In this video, I'm going to review the top life insurance companies in Canada and give you tips on how to choose the right company and policy for you.
If you're looking for the best life insurance in Canada, this video will help you understand the strengths and drawbacks of each company so you can confidently choose the insurer and policy that's best for your unique needs. Hi, I'm Stephanie from PolicyMe.
I'm Eric from PolicyMe. Let's get started. When choosing a life insurance company in Canada, consider the company's financial stability, its ability to pay claims, and reputation for customer service. You can figure out if an insurer is financially stable by looking at its ratings from independent rating agencies, such as AM Best. These agencies assign a company rating based on its ability to meet its financial obligations, including paying out your claim. You should also read reviews on Google, reviews.io, and Insure.I. Check the Better Business Bureau to see if there have been any complaints or disciplinary actions taken against the company.
Choosing the right life insurance policy for you. There are plenty of life insurance policies to choose from. The right one for you comes down to your unique needs. Start by asking yourself, if I pass away tomorrow, what's most important to me? Is it that your family has enough money to cover their day-to-day expenses? Or is it that any liabilities like your mortgage are covered? Perhaps it's that your estate is transferred to your loved ones in the simplest and most tax-efficient manner, or that your kids have money set aside for post-secondary education. Based on your priorities, you'll need to figure out how much money you need to properly protect and for how long. You'll also want to consider what type of life insurance you need, such as term, whole, and universal life insurance, and to compare the cost and benefit of each option.
Here's what we believe at PolicyMe. Assess the risks you're facing. Once you do, most people are likely to find out that a term life insurance is best for them. Term life covers you when you really need it, when you have dependents like kids or a big balance on your mortgage. Once you hit retirement age, you probably won't need that coverage anymore, since hopefully you'll have enough liquid assets. Still, if you have permanent risks like you own your own business or you're a high net worth individual, you may need a permanent policy. If so, get advice from a licensed financial advisor.
Whether you choose term or perm, make sure you compare prices and policies from multiple companies to find the best fit for you. You can do your research online, use an online broker like ratehub.ca, or talk to a financial advisor. Just so you know, insurance agents and financial advisors typically work on commission and may try to upsell you, so be sure to do your own research too.
BMO, Best Life Insurance for Stability. BMO, or the Bank of Montreal, is a good choice if you're looking to buy from an established bank. BMO is Canada's oldest bank and one of the largest life insurance companies in Canada. BMO has an AM Best rating of A and has positive customer reviews on Insure.I compared to its competitors. BMO also has many different options for both term and permanent life insurance. So if you're looking for a lot of choice, BMO may be the right option for you. One drawback: you can get a quote online, but you can't apply by yourself. You'll need to request a call in order to do an application over the phone with an advisor. Canada Life, the best policy for customization. Canada Life is Canada's second largest insurer with 170 years in the industry and a financial strength rating of A+. Canada Life is great if you're looking to customize your life insurance policy. There are multiple rider options available for both singles and joint policies, including child coverage, business protection, and accidental death. These riders are optional, and you'll need to pay extra to tack them onto your policy. Canada Life offers a variety of term life plans at different term lengths. There's also the option to renew these policies or convert them to permanent policies. The company has a good reputation for customer service and claims handling, though online reviews complain of phone wait times. You also can't get a quote online with Canada Life, and it can take up to 6 to 10 weeks for your application to be approved. Another drawback: their premiums are higher on average compared to other Canadian life insurance companies.
Desjardins, best whole life insurance for children. Desjardins Group is the largest federation of credit unions in North America, and it has a strong brick-and-mortar presence in both urban and rural Ontario and Quebec. Desjardins has the cheapest price for T100 coverage, starting at about $20 a month. Before you get too excited, at PolicyMe, we don't recommend buying whole life insurance for kids. Return on investment is higher with saving plans like RESPs, and coverage amounts are limited for whole life plans for kids, and mostly adults won't have a problem getting coverage later when they actually need it. But if you do really want whole life for your kids or your grandkids, Empire and Equitable offer some of the least expensive whole life policies for kids in Canada, at least when we last checked. Another good tip, Desjardins policies have a variety of riders and products you can add on, like disability and critical illness insurance, as well as multi-policy discounts. Empire Life, best life insurance for smokers. Empire Life is one of the top 10 largest life insurance companies in Canada. It was founded in 1923. Empire has reasonable life insurance rates for smokers compared to other providers, as smoker and tobacco rates can be 35 to 50% higher than non-smoker rates. Empire Life isn't always the cheapest insurer for smokers, but they're pretty competitive across coverage amounts and terms. And here's a fun fact. Their overall individual life claims paying rate for 2020 was 99.6%.
Foresters Financial, the best life insurance for diabetics. Foresters Financial is a 150-year-old life insurance company that merged with Canada Protection Plan in 2020. It's actually a fraternal benefit society, meaning you get member benefits like academic scholarships and financial counseling when you buy a policy with them. Foresters has policy options that provide quick coverage and are more lenient for diabetic applicants. You can also access discounted diabetes management products and earn rewards for making healthy choices with their Foresters Go app. That being said, Foresters isn't the most digital forward insurer. You can't get a quote online, and you need to find an advisor before you can apply for one of their policies. And if you need to submit a claim, you'll need to wait for customer service to mail you a claims package that you have to fill out by hand and mail back. Humania, best life insurance for pre-existing conditions. Humania is one of the oldest Canadian life insurance companies. Their online Hugo life insurance product aims to insure more than 65% of policies instantly, with applications taking less than 45 minutes. They also have a good range of non-medical options. Humania offers term insurance policies with both guaranteed and renewable premiums. There are fixed premium term policies up to age 80 and conversion terms up to age 100. The downside is that you're not going to get preferential pricing with Humania if you're in good health, which doesn't make a great option for the average Canadian. Manulife, best for permanent life insurance. Manulife is a large and financially stable insurance company and has been in the business for 136 years and counting. Manulife is known for permanent life insurance, and they have a long history of experience with these products. They even have their own mutual and segregated funds. Manulife is one of the most experienced insurers in terms of participating whole life insurance. Just to be aware that whole life insurance tends to run around $150 a month on average, and it can cost a lot more. Manulife has two whole life insurance options: Manulife Par, which has guaranteed cash values, and Performax Gold, with guaranteed lifetime protection. They also have two universal life insurance options: InnoVision for estate planning and Manulife UL, a more cost-effective universal life plan. You can also choose from different riders, such as accidental death benefit, long-term care, and critical illness. The downside is that customers complain of difficulty getting a hold of customer service to cancel their policies and long processing times for claims.
PolicyMe, the best life insurance for couples and parents. PolicyMe is an online Canadian life insurance provider based in Toronto. It was founded in 2018 and is backed by insurance giant Canadian Premier. PolicyMe specializes in term life insurance, and it's a great option for couples and parents due to its affordable prices, straightforward application process, and family-friendly perks. Couples save 10% off their premiums in the first year when they apply together, and every policy comes with $10,000 in free child coverage. It only takes about 20 minutes or less to apply online with our simple to understand online system, and you'll know if you're approved right away to get up to $5 million in coverage. Online reviews also praise the helpful and expert advice offered by our licensed advisors, that's me. Downsides: PolicyMe doesn't offer permanent life insurance, and policies are not convertible or renewable, though you can upgrade or extend your policy term within the first 5 years. There are also no brick and mortar locations. Sun Life, best whole life insurance for cash value. Sun Life is a company many may know for their employer benefit programs. They have very strong financial strength rating of A+. Sun Life has a lot of experience in participating whole life insurance or any policies with an investment component. They have very experienced advisors, some with over 30 years of experience. You do pay a bit more for Sun Life whole life policies, and in return, you get lots of bells and whistles. Their policies are a great option for high net worth individuals, as they offer extra perks like succession planning. Caution though, their funds are expensive and their investment options are limited to the funds they have available. Their ETFs tend to be the most cost-effective option, but make sure you check their investment management fees against other providers. All in all, Sun Life Insurance isn't the best option for most Canadians. You're likely overpaying for what you get. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email or call me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Then head over to PolicyMe.com to read all of our life insurance company reviews. You can find the link in the description below.